Joshua Powell here at San Boswell Honda, and this is the 2016 Kia Sedona LX. You will have the standard assortment of power windows, door locks, and mirror controls. You also have the auto fold-in side mirrors, a power seat with your lumbar support, steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through your media sources, and control the volume. You also have cruise control buttons on the other side. AM, FM, XM radio. You'll have a variety of media inputs available. Climate control buttons. USB and aux input. Heated seats in the front. An eco mode for fuel efficient driving. Parking sensors. Power port, more storage compartments. Be able to open up these side doors. You'll have the double glove box design. Have the built-in sunshades in the second row. Rear climate controls. A unique design for the walk-in seat operation. Lifts the seat up to make it easy to access the third row. We'll have the sunshades in the third row as well. Vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera. You'll also have an easy stow system for the third row seat. Simply pull on the handle and the seat will recede down into the cargo area. This is the 2016 Kia Sedona LX here at San Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406. We're conveniently located at 611 Bull Weevil Circle in Enterprise, Alabama. Look forward to seeing you here soon.